Welcome to this video where we will read the chart. So after understanding the candle science and price action terms and different types of candles, let's look at the real-time chart for gold on TradingView. So what do we see here? We have current month, June month, is a disrespect candle. It is under development, so let's leave it aside. Let's see the last month, the May month. What is this? The opening and closing is almost at the same location, so the body is very small as compared to the wicks. So this is a special type of candle which is called as a doji. It's an indecision. It shows there was not a proper decision of whether to go up or down. So the doji candle for the month of May. So the month of June will decide whether we are bullish or bearish for next month or this month. Similarly, if we reach April, what do we see? Almost same size of wick at the top, same size of wick at the bottom, and the body also, which is sort of indecision only. But it's being a bullish candle, we can say it was overall April month was bullish. Going on to month of March, what is this? So this is our disrespect candle, which is disrespecting the previous week's high, right? So let's dissect this month of March. Let us go one time frame down. So let's see what is there in the month of March. So this is the first week of March, second week of March, third, fourth, and this last week. Okay, so what is there in the month of March? From this to this, what do we see? So if you see, we have a small fair value gap here, another fair value gap, or you can say a very small sneaky fair value gap here. So we have two fair value gaps which give rise to a disrespect candle. As we saw in the last video guides, this is a disrespect candle at the higher time frame. On the lower time frame, we have fair value gaps going up. If we go on to daily time frame, we will find even more fair value gaps. If you see in the month of March, now here we had one fair value gap here. Let me remove this weekly. So this fair value gap, this fair value gap, then this bigger fair value gap. So three fair value gaps we can see in the month of March, right? That is how candle science can be read. Let us see how we can use candle science to find the bias. So let's start from April or March. So what is March? So March is actually a respect candle. What is it respecting? It is respecting the previous month's or previous week's high, right? So there is a high wick, long wick at the top, and a smaller body and smaller wick at the bottom. So it is a respect candle. What is there in the respect candle? Let's understand on the lower time frame what exactly is there. Let me mark this area. So this is a 31st March week. Let's go into daily or so this is the 31st March. What is happening? So here we are seeing we are going up and we are going down. So there is this small fair value gap coming down, and if we go, let's go one time frame lower, where you will see we are, the wick is respecting what it is respecting. It is going up, going down. So going fair value gaps going up, fair value gaps going down, which is converted into a wick at the top, right? That is how fair value gaps or a sharp turn give rise to a respect candle at higher time frame. Similarly, now this respect candle, it was respecting the previous week high. So you can say we were supposed to be bearish. We were respecting this high and we came down. So month of April or the first week of April should have been a little bearish, right? Let's go on to 1st April. Let's see what happens on 1st April. So this was a bearish move. So here bearish move, and after reaching some PD array, now we are changing the direction and we have gone up to attain a all-time high. So here something changed and we started bullish behavior. After this bullish behavior, what happened here? If you see, we reached this fair value gap, right? So from this fair value gap, the price reversed and is now at all-time high. That is how all our PD arrays, candle science can be used to find bias in the market, and same PD arrays can be used to take an entry as well. We will see in the coming video guides how to find bias using fair value gaps, fair value areas, swing high, swing lows, all the type of PD arrays, and ultimately how to trade, how to take an entry, where to add stop loss, where to take profit from, what is the maximum level we can reach after finding the bias, right? Thank you.